Hello, welcome to the Jasmine Rose Temple. My name is Ivry, and today we're going to make it rain. Call on that water element, sacred waters, holy waters. Okay. Beloved waters, call on you this day, beloved rain, beloved love. Holy waters, sacred waters, baptismal waters, come wash us clean, bathe us. Oh, beloved waters, bathe us and wash us clean. Hello again. I wanted to first say that what we are sharing here is like a pebble on the water. It's only skimming the surface, It's so vast, all of the elements and the sacredness of all of this. So there's so much richness in the world to investigate, So today, though, we move into holy waters. And there's so much, as I said, that could be shared, but I thought I would concentrate it on one point. And this goes back when I was in my early 20s, maybe 21 even. I was very young. And I was driving in my car, hardtop, of course, driving in my car one day, one early evening on my way to chapel. And suddenly it started raining in my car, and it was raining droplets of love from the heavens. Oh, this love, just gentle mist started coming down, and then a heavier rain. And it just started pouring and pouring on me in this car while I was driving. It was so powerful and overwhelming that at some point this rain of love that was pouring down from the heavens on me, I felt my heart about to burst from my chest, and I don't know, but I think I might have even had a heart attack at that moment. And I said to God, stop. And it stopped. This rain of love changed my life. From that moment on, I have seen, and so often seen again and again, that love is always raining on us. We need only be open and say yes to it, Always raining on us. Grace is always raining on us. Why would we choose anything less than this? So today we'll call on that rain of love again to come pour on us, pour on our loved ones, pour on all of creation, all of the planet, all of the cosmos, that rain of love that pours from the heavens, from the creator of love, of all love. So come join me. This blessed holy water this day. So how we will do this, of course, is we'll come together and clack, chanting, calling, invoking that rain of love to come pour on us, I also want to share this sacred medicine I received from our friends and neighbors down the road. I was called upon by them to do some medicine work with them, and they gifted me with this turtle shell rattle. There's so much here I could share about this beautiful. I was so humbled to receive her. I always have said I was born on the back of a turtle, and of course we are on Turtle Island, So the turtle represents that really stillness, awareness, contemplation, the slowness of that rhythm when we pay attention, eh? Beautiful turtle. So much medicine that we could share. There's much more here. But today we're going to use her because she is a rainmaker. And she was used in ceremony and activated for such things. So she'll make rain, the rain of love upon us this day, okay? So again, come join me. Beloved Creator, calling on you this day to come rain your love on us. Beloved ocean, beloved holy waters, come wash us, cleanse us. May these two waters of life come and join together in this chant. Rain your love on us. Rain your love on us. Rain your love, beloved one, on us, beloved one. Rain your love on us. Chant with me. Rain your love on us. Let the river flow. Rain your love on us. Rain your love. Let the river flow on us. Let your rain fall on us. Let your love rain on us. Rain on us. Rain on us. Rain on us. So rain your love on us. Rain your love on all. Rain your love on us and all creation. Rain your love. Rain your love on all those watching. All living, all those dying, all those rising. Rain your love on us. Rain your love. Rain your love, bringing healing to all the planet. Awakening all of us. Rain your love on us. Rain your love on us. Rain your love on us. So water, as we know, is life. Let us continue to chant and call upon that rain of love to come to us, eh? And my blessing to you from the holy waters. Thank you again for joining me this day. I am Ivry. This is who I am.